So I'm going to show you how to record the screen of your Samsung phone. So what you need to do is simply swipe down to the quick settings tiles or quick settings panel, and then you want to find the screen recorder icon. And this is it. This is what it looks like. So what you want to do is tap on it, and from this pop-up that comes up, select if you want to record the media and microphone sound, or just the media, or no sound at all in your screen recording. You can also choose whether you want to show the taps and touches on your screen recording. And once you've set everything up, you can tap on start recording. You'll see a 3-second timer, and it's going to start recording. Now you can hide this so that it doesn't distract you. And now the phone is recording everything I'm doing and all the ambient sounds, including everything I'm saying. So any app I open and whatever I do is being recorded. Now once you're done recording, or even before you're done, you're always going to have this right here, so you can bring it up and hide it at any time. Now when you bring it up, you have a few options. For instance, you can mark up on your screen recording. You can even change the color of that and mark up with a different color. You can draw arrows and squares and whatnot. You can also bring up the front facing camera, so you can actually, if you want to have your face in that screen recording, you could do that, and you can turn it off at any time during the recording. And also you can pause that screen recording, continue with that screen recording, and once you're done with everything, you can simply tap on the stop button, and that's going to stop and save your recording to the gallery. Now to access your recording, just go to the gallery app on your phone, and you can see our recording is right here. Let's have a listen. Recording. Now you can hide this so that it doesn't distract you. And now the phone is recording everything I'm doing and all the So that is basically how to record the screen of your Galaxy phone. Now, some low-end or some cheaper Samsung phones will not have the screen recorder built in, but of course you can go to the Google Play Store and download a third-party tool to record your screen. Now I'm going to do a whole separate video on that, which I'll link down below, but for most Samsung phones, the screen recorder comes built in into the phone. All right, so all you have to do is swipe from the top right and find it there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.